If you're suffering from bad breath and you actually want to whiten up your teeth, you want to have that beautiful white shiny teeth, then stay tuned to the end of today's video because I'm going to be showing you guys how to make your own toothpaste, your own homemade toothpaste from the comfort of your home using three very powerful potent ingredients right from the comfort of your kitchen. So do not go anywhere, make sure you stay tuned to the end. Welcome back, fam. It's your girl Choma Innocent Day. So today is another unfiltered DIY video, and this is the most realistic video you ever find here on YouTube. So like I said, we're going to be making a homemade DIY toothpaste. As you can see the condition of this baby boy's teeth right here. He has been using the regular toothpaste and it seems nothing is actually working for him. So I'm going to be trying out this DIY. It's actually safe to use. After I used it on him, I also tried it on myself. So do not go anywhere. Make sure that you watch till the end of this video so you do not miss out on any part. Okay, if you've not yet liked and subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please hit the like and subscribe button right now to be part of this amazing family. So let's get straight into it. I just want you guys to see all the condition and everything, and you can see the aftermath. Okay, so the first thing we're going to be using for this recipe is we're going to be using salt. It could either be table salt or a sea salt. Like I'm using my table salt right now. Salt actually helps to freshen the breath. It actually helps to reduce inflammation. It helps to fight bacteria. It also helps to stop bacteria from growing. Like salt is a everyday like is a go-to for actually cleaning your teeth. Like I actually use this even using it alone, so it's very potent. It's a very potent ingredient. It also helps to balance the mouth pH balance. So salt is one ingredient that should not be missing out. The next is baking soda. Stop underestimating the power of this baking soda. Baking soda whitens the teeth naturally without chemicals. It does a whole lot for the body, for the health, but for the teeth it does more too. It helps to balance the mouth pH balance. It also helps to prevent bacteria from growing, and it stops odor. It fights odor from the teeth. If you use baking soda, hey good, if you use this recipe consistently, like you use this recipe that I'm about to show you now for like a month, you are going to see a great improvement in your teeth hygiene, in your foot hygiene. So if you're watching now and you've not yet liked and subscribed, please do well to like and subscribe, to show your support and say thank you for putting such amazing video for us right here. So this is a quantity that I want to make, that I want to actually use. You could actually add more depending on how you want it. Okay, so our next ingredient, I would say this is the last ingredient I'm going to be adding, is coconut oil. Oh my, this recipe is so incomplete without coconut oil. Coconut oil is a game changer, and I'll tell you why shortly. It is antibacterial and antifungal. Coconut oil reduces plaque and gum inflammation, and it also helps to whiten the teeth naturally. It keeps the teeth hydrated and it prevents dryness. It helps to keep your mouth, your gum, it helps to keep it moisturized. So as you can see, I just added 2 spoons of coconut oil. Coconut oil is a very strong and potent recipe to use for your teeth. Then after adding my coconut oil to my mixture, I'm going to mix everything thoroughly, and you can see it has given us a paste just like that. This powerful recipe is already ready. So before you apply this thing on your teeth, which I'm going to be showing you very soon, you're going to put like an oil, like 1 spoon of oil in your mouth, and leave it for about 5 to 10 minutes before brushing your teeth with the mix, with the mix paste. It actually helps to prevent inflammation or sensitivity. And I will also say again that, you might want to carry out a patch test on your teeth to see how it is. You can see the consistency. It is so thick and slimy, just like your regular toothpaste. So you can decide to actually store it in a tube or in a very very safe container and use it whenever you want to use it. So I'm going to be applying just the quantity that I want to use for brushing his teeth. Okay, so these three ingredients is what you're going to be needing to actually give yourself this wonderful paste. So in no time now, I'm going to be showing you how I am applying it on his teeth. Sorry, like, just pardon me for how the video is. Okay, like I said, it's an unfiltered video. So as you can see the process, you can see it's becoming fair. So at some point there was a little, bleeding. I believe it's because of the salt, but after a while it actually stopped and the bleeding stopped and the blood stopped coming out, and that will be all thanks to the coconut oil. Okay, so guys, can you actually see the transformation in just one attempt of using this recipe? So imagine using it for consistently 1 month. It's going to get that healthy teeth back. I see a lot of people, their dentition is so bad. It's not until you want to give yourself a teeth cleaning or want to clean your teeth that you now do a whole lot of efforts there. You can start giving yourself that hygiene and give yourself that healthy teeth right from the comfort of your kitchen by combining these amazing ingredients together. Can you see that pop and that shine it has given to your teeth? So guys, this combo will help create a powerful natural oral cleanser without any chemicals. So you can see the result. The result is so good. The bleeding has stopped and it's so safe to use. Thank you guys once again for joining me. I'm pretty sure you found this video really helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and also share to friends. I'm pretty sure they will find this video also helpful. That'll be all for now, and until then, I'll see you guys in my next video. Watch out for the next DIY video.